Hey guys, if you're trying to save money on Temu, this is for you. Right now, Temu is offering a $100 coupon bundle, and yes, it's still working. Here's exactly how to claim it. Step 1, click the first link in the description. This step is important. If you don't use the link, the coupon won't activate. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a special Temu page where the offer appears automatically. Step 2, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Scan it with your phone to instantly claim the $100 coupon bundle. If you're on a desktop and can't scan the QR code, don't worry. You'll also see a coupon code you can enter manually to get the same discount. I've tested this myself, and the coupons apply across multiple orders, not just one item. You can use them on electronics, clothes, home items, kitchen tools, pretty much everything. And here's a bonus, click the second link in the description to unlock a free Temu gift. The item is random, which honestly makes it more fun. These offers don't stay live forever, so I recommend grabbing them while they're still active. I keep the description updated with the latest working Temu coupon codes, so make sure to check there if you're watching this later. Click the links below, claim your Temu coupons, and enjoy the savings.